Hello everyone. Today we discuss about concepts in the model of pathogenesis. The first model is linear model, which tells bacterial plaque is primary or direct factor in the development of periodontitis. Second model is Sircam model, which tells us about the role of both microbial challenge and host immune response, which include immune inflammatory mechanism in the pathogenesis of periodontal disease. The third model is critical pathway model, also known as Offenbacher model. This model told us about genetic variation along with systemic exposure, which includes smoking and diabetes, were the powerful determinants of periodontal disease severity. The fourth model is nonlinear model, also known as Page and Kahneman model. This model told us about host microbial interaction along with genetic, environmental, and acquired risk factor, which determine the pathogenesis of periodontitis. The fifth model is multi-level hierarchical model, which tells us about the biological expression of immune inflammatory response along with microbial challenge, also specific combination of environmental factors and genetic variation of that individual affect at cellular, phenotypic and tissue levels, which affect the clinical outcome of occurring periodontal disease. The sixth model is new biological system model, which include bacterial component, environmental components such as smoking and diabetes at personal level, genetic variation at genetic level, and the most important, the feedback of biological phenotype at cellular and molecular level, which determines clinical phenotype of particular patient of periodontitis. Seventh model is polymicrobial synergy and dysbiosis model. Told about the dysbiosis of periodontal microbiota signifies change in relative abundance of individual component of bacterial community compared to bacterial abundance in periodontal health, leading to alteration in host microbe crosstalk, which is sufficient to mediate destructive inflammatory response and bone loss in periodontitis. The latest model is contemporary model given by Chappell in 2015 based on circular relationship between periodontal biofilm and inflammatory immune response. Also tells us about the role of viruses along with bacteria, the role of genetic and epigenetic factor. The key feature of immune disruption in periodontitis include excessive inflammation that fails to resolve back to periodontal health and become chronic and self-destructive in nature, generating an environment that favors the environment for the pathogenic bacteria. Thus, the periodontal destruction leads and connective tissue and bone loss occurs in periodontitis.